Meaning of escapist.
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 Escapist. Escapist refers to a person who seeks to avoid or escape from reality, responsibilities, or difficult situations through activities such as daydreaming, entertainment, or substance abuse. This term is often used in a negative context to imply that the individual is not facing their problems directly and is instead using these coping mechanisms as a means of distraction. While brief escapism can be a healthy way to manage stress, chronic escapism can lead to further problems and hinder personal growth and development.